Hello once again and welcome to my channel from wherever you're watching us from. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, consider doing so because, oh man, the knowledge that we're sharing here is really impactful and impacting designers. People approach me, they send me messages, they encourage me to continue doing this kind of tutorials. So I would really encourage you, if you've not yet considered subscribing, please do so. Also click on that bell icon so that you get notified whenever I make new videos for you. Consider sharing it to your friends and everybody. So today I actually wanted to continue with where we stopped at, and I will try to make it as short and precise like the other one that we did the previous time. So it is still quotes, social media posts that you're going to be communicating to people using. So I'm going to dive into my timeline in my Photoshop workspace so that I can start doing this tutorial. So yes, so the last time I stopped at this particular post, and you see I went ahead and added some other elements like social media icons and a logo here, and then I put a stroke on that shape, and then I placed the image at an appropriate space. So today I'm just going to continue with a different design on this same artwork, but on a different canvas. So I'm going to different artboard rather. So I'm going to click and then add another artboard. As you can see, I've already added another artboard here, and here this is artboard 2. It will be putting it into sections and folders, and that so that you can easily work in an organized manner. So this one I'm going to actually do something very different. I will start by drawing a shape down here. I'm starting from below. As I go above, this shape here is going to be a bit that color, and then I'm going to add another layer here, and then this one I will put a gradient on it, and this gradient is going to be like let me put a color that looks blue. I'm just picking from our previous design so that it looks maybe 35. That is the opacity I'm increasing on that. So this one, then I'm going to drag it below our rectangle so that it looks like that. Then I'm going to take a picture. I will just drag this picture from my desktop, and it's for the Minister of Women in Somalia. She's called Hanifa. So I'll put it below all these images the way you can see. Then I'll try to think I did it with similar aspect ratio. So as you can see, it's already in place there, and then we can now continue. So I will just do this. I think our shape layer should be white in color so that you can easily distinguish it from anything else. And then remember our bisected triangle. So I'm just going to continue using, because that is the theme that we are trying to develop here, to continue developing here. And this I will put it down here, and somehow like here, I think here, and then I will draw a very thin line like that, and then this line, you already know where I'm going to put it. I'm going to put it down there, and it's actually very tall, so I need to reduce the height so that it doesn't look big. And then our rectangle, I'm going to fix it there. So after that, I will just put a text layer over here. And then this text layer, because it's already dummy text, I'm not going to edit it. I'm just going to assume that this is actually what was said. So, though she doesn't, I don't know whether she speaks Latin, but so we put that as a dummy text there. Then I'm going to put another space here for name. So name here, and then this one I'm using Saira font, so I'm going to, the font family is very beautiful as you can see, so I'm going to put it there. I'll just Ctrl J, Command J to duplicate that, then drag it a little bit down, and then make it light, then change into title here, and also I will decrease the font size so that it looks like the way you can see here. Now what is remaining is putting our social media icons. I'm just going to borrow them from this other artboard. So I already have an artboard here, so I'll just borrow it and then come to this artboard here and then paste them there, but they are white and our background color is also white, so I'm going to put an overlay color, and this color is going to be blue, as you can see. So as you can see, we've already done, and there's another thing I've seen I've placed here. I think I've placed a logo also, but I need to see where that logo is. Okay, this is the logo. This logo has to come out so that we can see it. Yep. So we can see these are two quotes that are very beautifully designed, and the moment you continue doing this kind of trainings and you continue following on this kind of short video tutorials, you will learn more on how to build your designs that you're putting on social media, specifically Facebook, Instagram. We will soon be doing Twitter as well, inshallah. But just consider subscribing to my channel, support me, share it far and wide so that we grow this community of professional designers. At this particular juncture, I'm going to stop here and then advise you to do the same. Just share, try it, continue. When I'm doing these things, just also try to do similar, and then challenge me, comment to me on the challenges that you may be encountered. But it's very fun, easy, as you can see. It took us less than 10 minutes. Till we meet again, thank you so much.